In this video, we are going to show you how to change the grille on your Mercedes. On this one, it's a C43. So first of all, you need to, if you're going to order one of these, or a different style one, and you have a camera, that's the first thing you need to check. So some of the grills come with cameras, some of them don't. So we've had quite a few where we've changed these and they haven't had the camera. So always make sure you get that bit. Second of all, this bit doesn't come with the grill. So twist it and then you can put that in there and then there's your emblem. Emblem? Mercedes badge, there you go. We need to get the bumper off to change this grille. So we'll put that down there, we'll put that down there, and we shall start taking apart the car. And we need a screwdriver. I was going to say we need to take this off, but you don't need to take that off, do we? All we want to do is get the grill out. In there is lots of clips and a 10mm, so we need to get those out. We need a pot. These work really well, like for pulling nails, but they work for getting these clips out in here. See? Ta-da! There it is. They put two in these ones, don't they? It's all the way undone. See? But it won't fall out. There we go. Oh, that's why. Who's been in here before? That's a bolt with a drill bit on the end of it. That's why it didn't want to come out. This is what should be in there. Someone has been in there before. And they for like putting stuff in that you have to drill holes in with. To the other side. There we go. One. Oh no, just on that side. Two normal bolts on this side. And then there's one Torx bit down there. Three across the top. Right, so there's 5 of those across the top. 3 along the top, 2 down the sides. In the pot they go. You need to undo this brown connector, which does the camera. We need to take the under tray off. Lots of 8mm. That is proper in there. Maybe if we just take the plug off of it. Oh, mate. You can see how this is going to end. Me sticking a pick through my finger. There you go. Oh, that's a big plug. Now, fingers crossed, if you've done this before. Oh man, since when? That is a plastic rivet. Oh no, they've put more of those silly clips in, haven't they? There's one in there. Oh God. Oh, go up there. And there's that one. Never seen those before. One bumper. Huh?
Say it.
One bumper.
Fancy bumping into you. Oh, mate.
He's so on and...
You hit your head, didn't you?
Now we have the bumper off. You need to take it apart. So you've got to take this off, this off, this off, this off, and then we can pop the grill out. So the first thing to do is take this lovely pipe out of here. Something to do with the airbags, isn't it? Crash sensors when you squeeze the hose. So don't squeeze that hose when it's plugged into your car. Very bad idea. And then this pops off. 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There you go, that's that bit. And then we need to get the camera out. And then this it's the correct tool for the job. There you go, see? Sometimes you need this bit as well, but I don't know if this bit is part of the grill. I need the tool for the job again, don't I? All right, there you go. Right, 2 screws for the camera. Now we need to take off the grill. First thing you're gonna need is some new thumbs. So sometimes, and ideally, you always want to use a trim tool, but these clips are so tough, sometimes the trim tool just doesn't cut the mustard. So you need to get, basically you need to open that up there so that that goes through. And you just have to work your way around. This one's not too bad. This one seems like the plastic is quite soft. Some of them are really like brittle and horrible. This one seems to be, what is that? That's a big... Ah. Yeah. There you go. Put that one in the box for the customer. Well, sort of, maybe. Should we put that bit in there? Get all that lined up. Send it. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Dom. Don't know why I'm counting. There's so many of them. Right, so what have I got to put back in now? Camera. Dun, 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 dun. Ah, see what I mean? Some you do, some you don't. We need a different screwdriver though, because that's a Phillips.
That was a satisfying noise.
That was a satisfying clip. 1, 2. Do. Oh no, it's all stuck already. Oh, he's booked in for when I'm not here. I did notice that you did that. I'm on holiday. He's not going to like being rescheduled because Joe booked him when I'm on holiday. Do. This thing's got to go back in. Safety first and all that. I mean, what does polystyrene actually do? What is it actually going to do when you smash into a whatever at 100 mile an hour? Right, now we need to make sure that this goes in nicely. It's one of those satisfying jobs, this is. It's like pushing a pipe into a hole. That's good to go. Should we put the badge back in or should we do that at the end? It's like the last bit. There we go. New grille on, bonnet down, and the last bit. And it goes in one way, doesn't it? Oh no. There you go. It's not in there, Ron. Third attempt, because we had to try all of the bits. It's in. Last bit. Look at that. How to change the grille on your Mercedes. We just need to get him to get a little AMG badge to go in there. Yeah, you like that, don't you? That was a nice, easy video. Thanks for watching. Remember to subscribe, like, hit the bells, tell your friends and your dogs. See you in the next one.